The term simple sentence can have different definitions, but today we're going to center on the main one. It reads, a simple sentence expresses a complete idea or thought by itself. It is composed by an independent clause that must contain a subject and a verb that make a meaningful sentence. Let's see some examples. Every sentence that we will learn about will have both examples with direct object and examples without direct object. The cat sleeps. She sings beautifully. Now let's see the version with direct object. Maria baked a chocolate cake. The dog chased the ball. For this exercise, you will have to identify the sentences that transmit a complete idea or thought and the ones which do not. Let's see the answers. You did a great job. A complex sentence contains one independent clause and one subordinate clause. They can be connected by either a comma or a subordinated conjunction. This kind of sentence provides more information to the sentence and also explain or modify the main point. Although it was raining, we decided to go hiking. I stayed home while my friends went to the party. Now let's see how we can have sentences with direct object. She knew that the test would be difficult. I remember what you said yesterday. Fill in each blank with either a comma or an appropriate subordinated conjunction. Let's check the answers. You did it very good. Compound sentences comprise two or more basic phrases joined together. Each structure has two or more independent clauses connected by either a semicolon or coordinating conjunctions. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started to rain. She likes to read and he prefers to draw. We can stay home or we can go out for dinner. Now let's see some examples with direct object. I wrote the letter and she mailed the package. He bought a new laptop but it did not have the software he needed. You can read the instruction or you can watch the tutorial. Now, fill in each blank with either semicolon or an appropriate coordinating conjunction. Let's check the answers. Well done! A compound complex sentence is formed by two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. In this case, the connectors that we will use are the same we previously mentioned. The only thing that will vary is the length of the sentence, but the rules will be the same. So, we can use either a comma, a semicolon, coordinated or subordinated conjunctions. The rules will be the same as we previously mentioned. Although it was late, we went to the store and we bought some snacks. She did not come to the meeting because she was sick, but she sent an email to explain. While I was cooking dinner, my brother was watching TV and my parents were talking outside. Now let's highlight the direct object. Although she lost the recipe, she explained what happened and the store gave her a refund. He realized that the keys were missing, but he still locked the door before leaving. While we were setting up the tent, the kids gathered firewood and my brother prepared dinner. Let's have the instruction for our last exercise. Fill in each blank with the correct punctuation or conjunction. It can be semicolon, comma, subordinate conjunction, or coordinating conjunction. Let's check our answers. Well done! Next paragraph contains all the types of sentences we have had today. Dare you to identify all of them? Haha, let's start. Although the sky looked clear in the morning, dark clouds began to gather by noon. Sarah packed her bag and she left for the library before the storm. She enjoys reading mystery novels. While she was walking down the street, it started to rain heavily. So she ran into a nearby cafe and she waited there until it stopped. Our first sentence, although the sky looked clear in the morning, dark clouds began to gather by noon. This is a complex sentence. Now, Sarah packed her bag and she left for the library before the storm. This is a compound sentence. She enjoys reading mystery novels. This is a simple sentence. While she was walking down the street, it started to rain heavily, so she ran into a nearby cafe and she waited there until it stopped. This is a clear example of compound complex sentence. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.